Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we will be taking a look at composite functions. So let's get into our first question. Given f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 and g of x is equals to 2x plus 3, find the composite functions f of g of x and g of f of x. So first, let's take a look at f of g of x. This statement, this notation basically means we have to substitute g of x into f. What is f of x? F of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, and g of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Now we have to substitute this into this. We can write down f of g of x is equals to 3. Now we substitute g into f of x. So 3 2x plus 3 whole squared plus 2x plus 3 minus 1. Now that we have this, we can just further simplify this. We will get 4x squared plus 2 times a times b plus 3 squared plus 4x plus 6 minus 1. Now we just basically further simplify this and we get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9, brackets close, plus 4x plus 5. And now the last or second last step of further opening up the brackets, then we will get 12x squared plus 36x plus 27 plus 4x plus 5. Now we add up the like terms. There's only 1x squared, so that will remain as 12x squared. 36x can be added with 4x. We will get plus 40x. Then 27 plus 5 will give us plus 32. So our final answer for f of g of x is equal to this, and we can write that down neatly here. So f of g of x is equals to 12x squared plus 40x plus 32. And you can pause the video and take a look at the working. And now we can move on to solving for g of f of x. Let me change my pen color. So now we solve for g of f of x. So for this we write down our g of x, which is 2x plus 3, and f of x is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now over here, it's the opposite. We will substitute in f of x into g of x. So we'll get g f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 plus 3. Now we can just open up the brackets to get 6x squared plus 4x minus 2 plus 3, which further simplifies down to 6x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that's our final answer for g of f of x. Thank you for joining us. and I hope to see you in the next lesson.